In order to record calls on iPhone 16e, once you have an ongoing call, in the top left corner you might have an icon that allows you to start recording the call. In my case, I have this option unavailable, and this is most likely due to my region, because unfortunately this feature is not available in every region or in every country. Most likely in United States you should have the option to do so, but it is not guaranteed. Besides that, what you can do is you can check if you can enable call recording in the settings. So let's go to the settings, scroll all the way down to apps, and then over here if you scroll down to phone, and if you go down over here you should be able to find call recording option somewhere over here in this place. In my case it is, well, missing. It should be somewhere next to call waiting or show my caller ID, or somewhere in between. If you do have that option, then you can go into that option in order to turn on call recording, and you should be able to find that icon after that in the call menu. And another thing that is worth mentioning is that if you start recording the call, the caller, the other person will be notified about this due to, of course, the privacy matters. So they will know that you started recording the call, and you cannot disable that. And if you really want to have the call recording option, even though your region is not supported, then in that case you can try to download a third-party app that enables that option for you, which is, I guess, quite inconvenient, of course, but it is a way to do so. And most likely you can go to App Store and then you can search for call recording or call recorder, and then you should be able to use one of these apps over here. I didn't really try any of these, so you should check them on your own. Most of them are free. You might find some ads here and there, I suppose, but you should be able to have that feature after all. So give it a try. If you don't like one app, then you can of course uninstall it and check another one. But unfortunately, if the region is not supporting call recording, then unfortunately this is so far the only way that allows you to record calls. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!